So let me first start with the end. So I'll explain you the game, and then we'll start the game. You can see here the high score list, and it's empty because, as said, it's the premiere, so it's the first time I'm playing this game with you. And the final goal will be to have a high artificial intelligence return on investment. Because whenever you start with AI, you have to invest a lot of money. You have to invest in tools, in trainings, and so on. And in the end, your boss will ask you, so what's in for us? So how did we something out of AI? And in the end, we want to know what's the return on our investment. So we will calculate some value and costs point. So in reality, it might be euros, but we just use points. And we will calculate those points by thinking about, okay, how can AI, for example, help us with public relations or with social media or with content marketing or search marketing? And for each of those different application areas, we will calculate the costs and the value of our AI use cases. You will see the AI use cases in a moment. For the AI use cases, we make it very simple. We just sum over the value. So for each use case, we create value, we create more efficiency, and we sum up all the AI efficiency gains. But for cost, it's different. And that's something you will learn when you think about your AI strategy. Because if you implement the first AI use case, you have to invest a lot of money. You have to invest in tools, in training, in tailoring the tools to your system whatsoever. So the first use case is the most expensive. The second one is often much cheaper because you can reuse existing technical infrastructure. You have your organizational structure, you have your personal structure. So you have, for example, upskilled or reskilled your colleagues. So please do not add it. So I will do this for you. I can't limit you. So that's why for the costs, we will take the costs of the highest costing use case. So remember that, because this will be important to win the game. And by the way, we will play this game together because in the end, AI is a team sport. So it's teamwork. If you want to succeed with AI, you have to invite IT people, marketing people, data scientists, AI engineers, and so on. So that's why we're playing this game together. And here's how it works. So later I will spin this AI wheel and it will recommend some category. For example, here it will recommend generative AI. And you will see that we have this chatbot card here, for example. And each card, so each use case has a cost, 11 here. And if you flip it, but you are not allowed to flip it, we will do later, you will see that depending where you use this AI or apply this AI use case, you will have different value points. Like for outbound marketing, it will be 13, but for brand and product marketing, it will be just 9. So your job will be to decide what's the best application area for this special AI use case. If you don't know what a chatbot, okay, but a chatbot you all know, but maybe if you don't know what's dynamic couponing pricing, then you can put this use case card here in this box, and then you can ask the AI to explain the AI use case. We won't do it here, and please do not flip the cards. I cannot, so that's cheating, by the way. And here you can see the Miro AI, which gives you an explanation what's dynamic couponing. You can also ideate use cases if that helps you. So let's go to the next step. So before we do this AI use case ideation, one important thing, because strategy is about choosing what not to do. If you do everything with AI, if you invest a little bit in here and a little bit in here and there a little bit, you are not strategizing. You're just distributing all the money and putting it in every corner of your business. Strategy means especially choosing what not to do. For example, saying, okay, we don't do event or guerrilla marketing, so let's put a black card here saying, okay, we won't think about how to use this special AI use case in this area. So this will be something we will have to do together right now. Also, before you start your AI strategy, think about what's your winning aspiration. And by the way, the game is named after a famous book. It's called Play to Win. It's a famous strategy book. I highly recommend it. If you want to know more, go to community.datentreiber.com. There you'll find book recommendations. So we have to decide what's our goal, like lead generation or sales increase. And now we are at the beginning, and that's where I need your help. So please let me know. And just by adding a yellow sticky card here, a sticky note, let me know from what industry you are and or what location, or both. So from what city you are and in what industry you are working.